Hey everyone, welcome back to another new exciting video. Finally, Google Video Model Veo 3 new version 3.1 is out, and here you see that these are the two new versions, 3.1 fast, 3.1 quality. Both are available in their official platform Google Flow, and I have tested it out just recently, and the same prompt I have just tested with Kling 2.5, and I will show you the result and you will understand that which one is better. And here you see that this Google Flow is now giving this 100 monthly credit to all of the users. So new users can now try Flow free of charge with 100 monthly credit. And I have given this Google Flow link in description. Go there, and after that click on this create with Flow, and after that you have to do the sign in with your mail, and after that you will find this kind of this interface. Now click on this create new project, and here you will get this interface, and here you see that you have to select this aspect ratio, portrait or landscape. These are the two this ratio is available, and select this model. Veo 3 fast will give you the fast result, but for this Veo 3.1 quality you will get the result, but it is little bit slow. Okay, and here you see that I have generated this result, and the prompt was that a fully armed astronaut surfing on a skateboard in the desert. Okay, and now if I play this video, then you will understand, and this video includes the sound also, so just listen it carefully. So it is amazing, right? And the interesting thing is that it has generated the shadow also of this astronaut, and also you see carefully that it has the slow motion effect. Again, I am playing this video. You see that in this time, okay, in this time, here you see it has generated the slow motion effect also, and it is looking really nice, and the real video it has published, and the same prompt I have given to this Clean 2.5 also, and this is the output. Let me play this. Okay, so let me play it from the first into the 5-second video. So here in this case also the result is some kind of different, and here it has also the shadow present. But in case of Google Veo 3.1, if you see that I have just given the simple prompt, and it has added many things like this kind of this bricks effect, and also you see that there is sunlight effect, mild sunlight, and also there is shadow effect, some kind of slow motion. So in my case, the prompt that I have tried, I will surely vote with the Veo 3.1 because the result is really instant. Because I have not given much information in my prompt, but it has added that. Okay, and also those who have access to the Sora 2, I will request you to try it on your own and compare this Veo 3.1 with the Sora 2, and compare that same with the Kling 2.5 also, and let me know your experience in the comment section, because I don't have the invite code for the Sora 2, so that's why I'm not been able to test the same prompt with the Sora 2. Okay, but if you have the access, please make sure you test it and let me know in the comment section. And here you see that on the right hand side, you will find your profile. If you click on that, you will find these 80 AI credits. So the video that will add, you will generate, it will cost 20 credits. Remember these things. And when you will do the sign up, then you will get the 100 AI credits. Okay. And for each video, it will cost the 20 AI credits, and after that you can upgrade. And for first 1 year, I think they are giving the 1 year free access, so please take that. And also those who are not getting the free access for the first year, for them also the price is very less. So if you want to buy, you can buy that also. Okay, So this is my experience. It has generated this 8-second video. Sorry, it is 7-second video. And in case of Kling, here you see that there is a 5-second and 10-second this control. But for this Veo 3.1, there is no control. But the output quality from this Veo 3.1 is really best. Okay. So I hope that this detailed video explanation with transparency will be helpful for you guys. And please make the video in Veo 3.1 and let me know your experience in the comment section. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care and please subscribe this channel, like this video also if you found helpful and if you want to get this kind of notification instantly from our channel.